Dumating
Actually, tawag niya. Yes naman.
walang kulot.
Okay.
Kanina,
Mamaya.
Hindi na natin yung mag-rocker kanina.
Hindi, nagpapaka-trying hard lang. Pangarap ko yan, naman, I wanted to be a rocker. I always wanted to be like you two, di ba?
Like YouTube?
Yeah, ambition lang.
Kasama ko sila last week eh.
I know, I heard she was
In
hobnobbing with
LA.
stars of Hollywood.
Yes, pero sa New York, PJ, in April, di ba nandito ka rin sa New York noon?
Mhm.
In April, I was here, and then June or July, kailan ba ako nandito? June. Alam niyo. Yun, tapos ngayon, andito na kami. Kaya, naku, thank you so much sa lahat ng dumating. Dumating na, sa
Ganda nga eh. Anyways,
high school.
parang yung mga bata.
Oo, diba?
Ano to, mall show?
I would like to say hello pala to my Ninang Ses and
Yes.
Tita Grace. Mag-hello kasi Ninang ko,
Kanina.
Ninang mo, BJ.
Hello po.
Ninang Ses,
Hindi
na
po.
grade school pa lang, best friend na ng mami ko.
Best friend po tayo.
Yeah. Best friend, ayan.
Yes.
Okay.
Balik po
And
kayo.
mag-hello ka rin kay Phil from DC.
Asa Phil?
Section t-shirt niya. I love this.
Ano? Sa tayo mamaya.
Ganun?
Alright, for our next song, we'd like to sing this. It's been a while, di ba? We were just talking about it. This was back in 2009.
Yeah.